Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your USB drive not showing up on your Windows 11 PC, as well as one of these little SD cards or micro SD cards that you may have attached. So I just have an adapter that I plug this in with, and sometimes this does not show up on my PC. So let's go to this now and open it up. Now, if it doesn't open up File Explorer, go on down to search right here and type in disk space management. And you'll see this first option, create and format hard disk partitions. Open this up, and then you're going to see all these little blue lines, which is fine. We want to go on down to where it says our drive. So our drive should show up under here. We can scroll on down, and here it is, my E drive. Just notice how much data or how many gigabytes your drive is, and you'll probably be able to find it under here just based off of that. But you can see here's a larger drive, like 1 terabyte. Here's my Windows C drive. And just make sure you know the drive that you're plugging in. So you can always unplug it and it'll disappear. And then you can plug it in and it should reappear. And then you know exactly which one you're going to be formatting. So what you want to do is right click on the drive and then delete it. Delete the volume off it. So I'm going to reformat this to NTFS or something like that. So let's go to yes, and then delete the volume. And this is probably why your drive's not working, because it doesn't have a drive letter. So you want to assign a new simple volume. So we want to go to this and then go through this process. And then I'm going to just choose one of these. And then you're going to have a few different file systems. NTFS is probably good. If you're going to be using this with digital cameras or something, I think maybe EXFAT or FAT32 is probably what you want. Depends on your camera and your brand. So I'm just going to choose NTFS. This is compatible with your Xbox. EXFAT is compatible with your PlayStation. So just if you're doing that, heads up. So I'm just going to choose maybe FAT32. That's fine. Let's go to next. And then go to finish. And this is for my digital camera. So you probably want to choose one of the other options. And then it is formatted and it has a drive letter. So we can go to this PC now. And it's showing up as the R drive on my computer. So another thing that you can do is go on down to search. And if you go to search, we can type in device space manager. And under device manager, we should be able to find the USB drive that's plugged in. So let's go to disk drives. And here it is, somewhere right here, generic storage device. So we can right click on this. And we could try disabling the drive and re-enabling it. So it's going to stop the function. So we're going to disable it. And then we could try re-enabling it. We could also try, updating the drivers for it too. Update drivers. We can uninstall the driver first and then update it again. So just go ahead and mess around with that. You should be able to get it work in one of these areas, I believe, for like 70 to 80% of your issues. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.